Hello, this is Brian Johnson, the recycling coordinator for the City of Madison. There's a new work order system for the large item collections, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use that new work order system to schedule your items for curbside pickup. To connect to the work order system, you will click one of the many links that you can find on the Streets Division website that will connect you to the work order system. The Streets Division website is www.cityofmadison.com/streets. The first step to building your work order is to add the items you will need picked up at the curb. So you want to click on the Add Items button and choose the items you are disposing. For this example, we'll be getting rid of a couch and a large refrigerator. So now you can find the items one of two ways. We're going to start with the refrigerator. You can click into the category to find the item you need. Then click Next to open up the items within that category. Then click the box next to the item you need to dispose of, then click Finish. You'll see a review screen to show you what you selected and if there are any special instructions for the item you chose. In this example, you can see that full-size refrigerators have a $35 fee and that you should remove the doors before setting it at the curb. Click Submit to add it to the order. I'll now add the couch to the work order. First, click Add Items again. But this time I will add the item by typing it into the Find Items box. Then click the search button to see the results. Check the box and click Finish. You will see the review screen one more time, noting any fees or special instructions, and there are none for a couch. Now, an important note, if you have more than one of the same item, you will need to add that item the correct number of times for the work order. For example, if I had 2 couches for disposal, I would need to add the couch twice to the work order. The next step with the work order, choose if you want the items to be picked up at the curb or if you'll be bringing them to the drop-off site. For this example, we're going to be choosing scheduled curbside pickup. Next, enter your email address and your name. The next step is to validate your address. I'll use the address for the West Side Streets Division office, which is 1501 West Badger Road. Notice that the direction I entered is W, since that is part of the street address. And also for street name, I only entered Badger. For this form, like many city forms, the part of your address that's road or avenue or way, that's the street type, and that's not part of your street name. Then click Validate after you enter the address. You will notice that the address fields are now grayed out, and you can no longer make changes to that field. This means you've entered a valid City of Madison address. Click now on Continue Application. Now you can choose when you will set the items out to the curb for pickup on the dates available for your home. Now you will notice that all of the dates are on Sundays. This is normal. You need to set the items out on that date given, and then sometime during the work week following that set out date, crews will be by to collect what you have out. Then click Continue Application again. This takes you to a review screen. This is your final time to make any changes to your work order. Now note that refunds will not be given for recycling fees. Then after you review the order, check the box, then click Continue. Because one of the items I picked required a recycling fee, here is where I will enter my payment information. If all the items to be set out to the pickup were free, like the couch, then you wouldn't see this prompt about making a payment. So click Continue Application to move to the payment portal. So after you enter your payment information, click Submit Payment. And that's it. You're on the schedule for curbside pickup. You will receive an email receipt confirming the order and the set-out date. Now, if you have any trouble with the large item system, please contact the Streets Division office that services your home. If you live east of South Park Street, you want to call 608-246-4532. And if you live west of South Park Street, call 608-266-4681. And also note that not every item can be picked up at the curb, like televisions, and some people may prefer to take items to a drop-off site rather than wait for the curbside pickup. We've also made a video to show how to use the work order system for those situations too. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.